Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's learn some French words for fruits. Hello, explorers. Bonjour. It means hello in French. Can you say bonjour? Great job. I'm Toto the Elephant, and welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. Today we're learning French words for fruits. I'll say the English word, then we'll hear it in French. You repeat after the French word. Ready? Let's go. The apple. La pomme. La pomme. The pear. La poire. La poire. The orange. L'orange. L'orange. The blueberries. Les myrtilles. Les myrtilles. The strawberries. Les fraises. Les fraises. The lemon. Le citron. Le citron. The cherries. Les cerises. Les cerises. The banana. La banane. La banane. The grape. Le raisin. Le raisin. The avocado. L'avocat. L'avocat. The peach. La pêche. La pêche. The tomato. La tomate. La tomate. The mango. La mangue. La mangue. The watermelon. La pastèque. La pastèque. The apricot. L'abricot. L'abricot. Great work, explorers. Now let's play a game. I'll say the fruit in English. You say it in French after you hear it. The apple. What is it in French? La pomme. La pomme. The banana. What is it in French? La banane. La banane. The strawberries. What is it in French? Les fraises. Les fraises. The avocado. What is it in French? L'avocat. L'avocat. The lemon. What is it in French? Le citron. Le citron. Great job. Now let's switch. I'll say the fruit in French. You tell me what it means in English. La pêche. What is it in English? La pêche. The peach. La pastèque. What is it in English? La pastèque. The watermelon. Les myrtilles. What is it in English? Les myrtilles. The blueberries. Les cerises. What is it in English? Les cerises. The cherries. La tomate. What is it in English? La tomate. The tomato. You're becoming French explorers now. Good job, explorers. Those were some challenging words. Thanks for trying your best today. French takes practice, but every time you try, you get better. See you next time in another Curious Explorers Club adventure. Au revoir. That means goodbye. Can you say au revoir? Bravo.